Hi guys, you are on this video if you got a number 5 on your paper. So that means that you either did not reference multiple sources or you're missing a countering paragraph. This is kind of a catch-all, as it said on the paper and on the website. So you need to go to these notes here first. These are from October 23rd, 1023. Read over the parts of a countering paragraph. Okay, you can do this independently, but you need to have a counterpoint, a rebuttal, and then those work together to be part of that countering paragraph. And then there is an example on this page. This example does it in a way where you have the counterpoint and the rebuttal, and then there's evidence, and that's an okay way to do it. However, sometimes if we keep using the same author over and over and over again, sometimes the best way to do this is actually to have our evidence up here with the counterpoint. And that's why I also have that you should go to your notes from 11.2. So go ahead and flip to your notes from 11.2. 11.29. And that is how authors respond to conflicting viewpoints. If you're not there yet, go ahead and pause the video, get there, and then you can restart this video. But one thing that this page here shows that's a little bit different than how we originally looked at counterpoints and whole entire countering paragraphs is that you can do a counterpoint with evidence and then do a rebuttal without it. Or you can do a rebuttal with evidence. But this one, the counterpoint actually includes a quote from the side that I disagree with, and then the rebuttal and the explanation says why that's wrong. So if you were relying too much on one of the organic food sources, then maybe this is how you incorporate the other position. You bring in what the other side says, and then you say why that's wrong. So those are ways that we can do countering paragraphs, and then that way you're referencing those multiple sources, you're responding to that conflicting viewpoint. Okay, so what you need to do is go into your paper and add evidence from another source to your paper. For some of you, it's an additional paragraph. You have to actually write a countering paragraph. For some of you have it, a countering paragraph. Maybe you just need to add in evidence to your counterpoint. For some of you, you might be here because you just didn't have enough evidence in general. You maybe only had one piece of evidence per body paragraph. So you're in a fine place. Just think about where could you add more evidence. And remember, don't overly rely on one or the other. Make sure that if you've used the same source a few times to support your points, maybe you go in and you say something that the other side says so that your counterpoint has evidence. Okay, that should be it for counterpoints for number 5. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. Remember, when you're done, just highlight everything you added for that in blue and then come and see me. Thank you.